Hello, this is Sanziree from U&Us, and today we are going to discuss tips on how to personalize your space. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, we rarely take time to consider what makes us tick. So now, to start with, I want you to ask yourselves 3 questions. What I value the most, what makes me feel joyful and inspired, and what makes me relaxed. It can be either things, places, or activities. The answer to these 3 questions will define your personality, and that we are going to reflect in your space. Now, if you're an avid reader, create yourself a reading corner with just a comfortable wing chair and a poofy. Try to have a bookshelf around. If you have a cabinet, then great, or else create a minimal wall shelving. Personalize it according to your appeal, whether it's a library style or a magazine stand that you're more attracted to. Are you someone who spends a lot of time in kitchen experimenting through cookbooks? Dedicate a shelf for that, which will be accessible, and such practice will inspire you even more. Coming to one of my favorites, Cozy Corner. It is for someone who wants to be relaxed while reading, working, or while watching a good movie. Gather a floor cushion and throw some pillows according to your comfort and accessorize it with lamps or some plants. This can also be a good window seating for those who enjoy outside view and daylight with coffee and a good book. Now, easy and quick. Just update your textiles. Change your curtains and covers to your personality. It can be either bold and quirky or light and minimum. Also, if you want to further personalize it, then customize your fabrics with favorite songs or quotes, or let the hardware like doorknob speak your personality. Are you a professional or amateur photographer, or if you have a good snapshots, showcase them and make yourself a gallery wall. It doesn't need to be a complete wall. One picture in a negative space can shine even more. You can arrange the display either symmetrically, usually 4:6 frame size ratio is appealing to an eye, or else you can arrange the frames randomly, adding a drama to the space. The pictures doesn't need to be full size. If you feel that it looks chaotic, small pictures in large frames will also give a minimalistic yet pleasing appeal. Are you an avid collector? What is your collection? Is it shells or cards or postcards? Display and showcase them in random way, but avoid cluttering them. You need to make sure your expensive collections do not become annoying dust collectors. So, you can either frame it or change it from time to time. Are you a creative person? What is your hobby? Show it off without hesitation. It can also give a good contemporary and energizing feel. You can create your own stacking style for stationeries and display your artwork in easy ways. Organize your passion in clean way, which will be inspiring for anyone who enters the room. Make your own feature wall. There is no better way to feel happy and inspired in a space than to fill it up with things that bring you joy. Displaying photos, artworks, and hanging items is a wonderful way to personalize your space. Are you into wheels or are you a traveler? Create your impactful feature wall with easy wall stickers. Feel free to mix it up with your culture or meaningful items. It can also give a good conversational piece for your guests. Upgrade your workspace with necessary items arranged in specific manner. Some of you might like a clean table with laptop and some files. Others might like to personalize it with self initials and a plant or meaningful items. In such case, you can create a random vision boards and organized planners. If you want to bring up your personality in your cubicle, display some pictures or paintings. Most importantly, while personalizing, you want to make sure that it is clutter free in order to not affect your productivity. Lastly, if you're the kind of person who likes natural energy, then create your own ecosystem by incorporating plants and indoor creepers to your bookshelf or your table. Whether a few herbs on your kitchen windowsill or a corner plant stand in the living room, it will create an intoxicating, tangible vibe in the most mundane spaces. Now, even some of your favorite pots can go a long way in personalizing your space. So, let me know what kind of personality you want to bring up in your house, and let's design it together with Godrej U&Us. Thank you.